Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
On a bright Jersey morning, young Willows and Leathers crossed paths in an under-13 tussle, where the RRANJ Super Pulsars faced the 22 yards in a riveting encounter at the New Jersey hub. The stage was set for a journey of grit and finesse.
Indeed, Isha, a narrative etched in the verdant greens. As the Super Pulsars and 22 yards lock horns, it's not just a game but a chapter in their cricketing odyssey. A tale of young titans in the making, ready to etch their mark.
Like a scene from Stranger Things, the Super Pulsars inning unfurled with unexpected turns, setting a stage where every run felt like an escape from the upside down.
Absolutely, a gripping plot where the 22 yards bowlers, like skilled chess players, maneuvered the board, capturing pieces and dictating the pace of the match.
In a low-scoring drama, the Super Pulsars wove a patchwork partnership with Khanna and Agrawal at the helm, but it was the 22 yards bowlers who spun the web with Iyer's 3-wicket haul casting the longest shadow.
The 22 yards bowlers, with Iyer in the vanguard, masterly clipped the wings of the Super Pulsars. Precision met strategy as the wickets tumbled, writing the first act of this enthralling epic.
The chase by 22 yards mirrored the thrills of a roller coaster, steep climbs followed by sharp falls, with Kapadia and Karpuram stand as the crest before the Super Pulsars bowlers induced a heart-stopping descent.
Yet, in this clash, the last wicket stand was not needed, as Cornelius and Ganvir quietly steered their side home amidst the Super Pulsars' spirited bowling, especially from Sridhar Raju.
Shravan Iyer emerged as the architect of 22 yards victory, laying the foundation with a spellbinding performance. Kapadia then carried the baton, injecting momentum into the chase.
Indeed, Iyer scripted the early advantage, while Kapadia's blade wielded runs that became the fulcrum of the chase. Raju's bowling effort for the Super Pulsars was commendable, but in the end, the day belonged to the collective.
In the end, 22 yards triumphed by 3 wickets, with their bowling strength and tactical batting outmaneuvering the Super Pulsars. A game where extras were as plentiful as the drama, tipping the scales of fate.
Victory's sweet nectar was savoured by 22 yards, a testament to their resilience in overcoming the early hurdles. A slender margin but a mighty leap for these young cricketing aspirants. As the curtains fall on this clash of the young titans, we contemplate the tale of might and wits, where both teams displayed valour, a prelude to their potential stories of cricketing glory.
A reflection of cricket's future lies in the hands of these spirited colts. Today, we witnessed more than a game. We saw passion and heart, with every ball writing a new chapter in their young careers. A prologue to many more battles on this 22-yard tapestry.